Hey there, homeowners. As we dive into February, it's time to make the most of the final stretch of winter here in Northern Virginia. Today, I've got some essential tips to keep your home warm and efficient. Ready? Let's jump right in. First, give a little love to your heating system. Check those filters and replace them if needed. It'll keep your home cozy and your utility bills in check. And if you haven't had that annual heating system checkup yet, now's the time. Next, let's talk gutters. Winter storms can leave them clogged, which can lead to ice damming and water issues as things start to thaw. Give them a good clean or hire a pro to make sure they're clear. Now, onto your roof. It's a great time to inspect for any damage. Use binoculars or a drone to check for missing or damaged shingles, or call in a professional if you're unsure. Better safe than sorry, right? Don't forget about your pipes. Keep those cabinet doors open during cold spells to let warm air circulate around pipes, especially under sinks and along exterior walls. Consider adding extra insulation too. Trust me, a burst pipe is a nightmare you don't need. While you're at it, give your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors a quick test. Check and replace the batteries if needed. Keeping your home safe is always a top priority. Lastly, seal up any drafts. Tighten up those doors and windows to prevent warm air from escaping. It'll keep your home comfortable and help save on energy bills. By tackling these tasks now, you'll set yourself up for a smooth transition into spring. And remember, if you need any assistance or have questions about your home maintenance journey, I'm just a call, text, or email away. Stay warm, stay safe, and see you next time.